Good morning, dear student. Here we are going to start new chapter from our mathematics. That is chapter number 12, areas related to circles. Now we are going to find the areas related to circles. So let introduction. We are going to take the introduction. Now why we are going to find the areas of any circle or related parts to any circle? Because in day to day life there are some such shape of circle that if you want to plot any chart, if you want to build any building in the shape such shape, that how many land is required to find that we want to discuss such problem, then we should study on it, and so that we are going to study the areas of the areas related to circles. So let for that you have seen such shapes in day to day life, that wheel, design, washer, cake, or wheel of any barrow. So such shape are known as the circles. So now we are going to find the area and the shape of circle or parts of circle. We are going to find area it. So let first we get some introduction. Parts of circle. We have already studied in standard 9 parts of circles. We know that from any fixed point, from any fixed point, as you know that from any fixed point O, and from this point at any fixed distance, let me take it is as R, the set of all the points. If you put points in such a way, then the set of such points or collection of these all the points are known as a circle. From, or we can say that the collection of points from any fixed point and at fixed distance is known as a circle, and this fixed distance is known as its radius. And also we know that twice of radius is known as the diameter. Such things we have studied in standard 9th. By that way, let we understand some parts. If we take two radius and such part of circle, then this black part, here you can say this black part is known as a sector. So it is a small part, so it is a minor sector, and here you can see that this pink color, so it is a major sector. This is a major sector. As well as second segment, if we join chord and this arc and this chord, so this part is known as a segment. This is small part, so it is a minor segment and it is a major segment. Arc, if we take any 2 points A and B, then between these 2 points the circular part is known as a of any circle is known as a arc, an arc. Tangent, any line passing through the circle at from only one point, that known as a tangent. Chord, if we join any 2 points on the circle, distinct any distinct 2 point, so we can find such type of line segment, and it is known as a chord of the given circle. Circumference, that the rounded length of the circle is known as a circumference. And diameter, the largest chord of any circle is known as a diameter. So such parts we have already studied. Now we are going to discuss these all parts and its area related to these such parts. So let perimeter and area of a circle. Let's once again we revise perimeter and area of a circle. So how can we find the perimeter? The value of pi. How can we find the value of pi? If we divide the diameter by its circumference, we divide the circumference by its diameter, so we can find the value of pi. So if you want to find the circumference, then we can say that pi into diameter its circumference, and we know that diameter is 2r. So the circumference जो इसका परिघ होता है, परिघ, तो सर्क्यूम्फरेंस कितना होगा 2 पाई आर. किसी भी सर्कल का सर्क्यूम्फरेंस कितना होगा 2 पाई आर. एंड द एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल इज हाफ ऑफ द 2 पाई आर into r, that is the pi r square. It is a area of the circle pi r square. Here we inform that the value of pi, we can take value of pi 22/7 or 3.14 approximately. One of the value we can take in place of pi, and if there is stated, then take 3.14, otherwise we take 22/7. Now let one take example to revise our memories. So the cost of fencing a circle, field at a rate of 24 per meter is rupees 5,280. Now there is given circular field, and we are going to fencing on its circumference. Here given the rate of fencing is 24 per, and total cost is 5,280 rupees. The field is to be plowed at rate of rupees 0.50 per meter square. Here given the rate of plowing at the given field at the rate 0.50 rupees per meter square. Find the cost of plowing the field. Take the pi is equal to 22/7. First we have to find the circumference or the radius of, because we know that the area of the circle is pi r square. So we should know about the radius of the given. So let we find first value of r. For that, in first line given that the cost of fencing circular field at the rate of 24 rupees per meter, and total cost is 525. If we divide 528 by 24, then we can find the circumference of given circular field. So length of the fence in meters, it is total cost by rate. टोटल कॉस्ट है, उसके रेट से हम डिवाइड कर देंगे तो 220, एंड इट इज़ द सर्क्यूमफरेंस ऑफ द फील्ड इज इक्वल टू 220 मीटर. सर्क्यूमफरेंस क्यों आएगा? क्योंकि सर्क्यूमफरेंस पर जो फेंसिंग की है उसका टोटल खर्चा कितना है 5,280, और 1 मीटर का कितना है तो 24. तो टोटल कॉस्ट को हम 24 से डिवाइड कर दें तो हमें जितनी मीटर पे फेंसिंग की है वो मिलेगा, और जो फेंसिंग मीटर में मिलती है वो क्या होगा, उसका सर्कम्फरेंस होगा. Therefore, if r meters is the radius of the field, then 2 pi r is equal to 220. So we can find the value of r is equal to 35 meter. So we have the value of r. So we can easily find the area of the given field. Therefore, area of the field is equal to pi r square, that is 22 by 7 into 35 into 35 meters square, in the sense that we can find the value of area of the field 22 into 5 into 35 meters square. Here given the cost, we want to find the cost of plowing the given field. So the cost of plowing 1 meter square of the field is rupees 0.50, and the total cost of plowing field, that is multiplication of cost and the area. So after multiplying this all term, we find the plowing, the area is 19 1925 rupees. Now let's solve some example from exercise number 12.1. Unless stated otherwise, use pi is equal to 22 by 7. First example, the radius of two circle are 19 सेंटीमीटर एंड 9 सेंटीमीटर रिस्पेक्टिवली. यहाँ पे दो ऐसे सर्कल दिए गए हैं जिसकी रेडियस एक 19 सेंटीमीटर है और एक 9 सेंटीमीटर है. फाइंड द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल विच हैज सर्कमफरेंस इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ द सर्कमफरेंस ऑफ द टू सर्कल्स. यहाँ पे क्या कहा गया है कि एक ऐसा बड़ा वाला सर्कल है जिसकी रेडियस कितनी है 19 सेंटीमीटर, और एक छोटा सा सर्कल है जिसकी सर्कमफरेंस कितनी उसकी रेडियस कितनी है 9 सेंटीमीटर. अगर दोनों को मिलाकर एक नया सर्कल बनाया जाए, जो यहाँ पे नया सर्कमफरेंस वाला, तो सर्कमफरेंस कितना है, तो कि इन दोनों के सर्कमफरेंस का अगर सम लो, इक्वल टू सम क्या आता है, तो कि इस बड़े वाले सर्कमफरेंस का आता है. तो पहले हम क्या फाइंड करेंगे, तो यहाँ पे जो है कहा क्या गया है, तो मीन्स 2πr1 और यहाँ पे 2πr2 इक्वल टू क्या मिलेगा हमें 2π, इसको कैपिटल कह देते r. तो हम इसकी रेडियस फाइंड करनी है, तो हम इजीली फाइंड कर सकते हैं. सिर्फ इस जो इक्वेशन है, इस इक्वेशन में हम वैल्यू रख देते हैं. सो लेट solve such example. Solution: radius r1 of first circle 90 centimeter, radius of r2 is second circle is equal to 9 centimeter. Let us the radius of third circle be r, small r. Circumference of first circle 2 pi r, that is 2 pi 19, that is 38 pi. Circumference of second circle is equal to 2 pi r2 is equal to 2 pi 9 into 9 is equal to 18 pi. Circumference of third circle is equal to 2 pi r. So now let, given that circumference of third circle is equal to circumference of first circle plus circumference of second circle is given in the question. 2 pi is equal to 38 pi plus 18 pi is equal to 56 pi. So we can find the value of r is equal to 56 pi by 2 pi is equal to 28. Therefore, the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the given two circles is 28 centimeter. Example number 4. The wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter as each. How many complete revolutions, means round, one round, how many complete revolution does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at the speed of 66 km per hour? So you want to find the revolution when it has speed of 66 km per hour. And so first we have to find the circumference of the given wheel of the given car, because we know that one revolution is equal to its circumference. One revolution is equal to its circumference. So first we have to find the circumference of the given wheel, and from that we have to convert 66 km per hour in a small parameter, because here given 80 centimeters, so we have to kilometer, we can convert kilometer into centimeter. So by that way, solution, diameter of the wheel of the car is 80 centimeter, in the sense that radius of the wheel of car is 40 centimeter. Circumference of the wheel is 2 pi r, because one revolution equal to one circumference. It's circumference. So 2 pi is 40 is equal to 80 pi centimeter. Speed of the car is 66 kilometer per hour. So we have to convert in a small parameter. So 66, अब किलोमीटर को सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए कितना है, तो कि 1 लाख से उसे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. किलोमीटर अब न्यूमरेटर में है, तो उसको हम 1 लाख से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, और आवर है उसको मिनट में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ता है. तो मिनट है 1 आवर इज इक्वल टू कितनी मिनट, 60 मिनट, तो उसको हम डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, किलोमीटर पर आवर में से 60 सेंटीमीटर पर आवर में कन्वर्ट हो गया. अब यहाँ 6 11 सा 66 10 11 1,10,000 सेंटीमीटर पर मिनट. सो वी हैव जस्ट कन्वर्टेड स्पीड ऑफ कार. डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल बाय द कार इन 10 मिनट्स कितना होगा, तो क्या वो द डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल बाय द कार इन 10 मिनट्स, वी मल्टीप्लाई 10 इंटू द स्पीड, सो वी गेट 11 लाख सेंटीमीटर. 11 लाख सेंटीमीटर वो 10 मिनट में कवर करता है. तो अब रिवॉल्यूशन के लिए हमें रिवॉल्यूशन फाइंड करना है. तो रिवॉल्यूशन यहाँ पे दिए गए कि एक रिवॉल्यूशन इज इक्वल टू कितना होता है, उसका एक सर्क्यूमफरेंस. तो एन रिवॉल्यूशन, एन हमें पता नहीं कितने रिवॉल्यूशन, तो एन रिवॉल्यूशन इज इक्वल टू कितना होगा, तो डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल बाय दी कार. सो लेट इज द नंबर ऑफ रिवॉल्यूशन ऑफ द व्हील ऑफ द कार बी एन. एन इंटू डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल इन द वन रिवॉल्यूशन इक्वल टू कितना होगा, डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल इन 10 मिनट्स. जो रिवॉल्यूशन है यहाँ पे एन रिवॉल्यूशन है, तो कितना होगा, डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल इन वन रिवॉल्यूशन, दैट इज सर्कम्फ्रेंस, इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल बाय इन 10 मिनट्स. सो एन इंटू 18 पाई इज इक्वल टू 11 लैक्स, विच इज एन इन एन इज इक्वल टू, यहाँ पे जो इसकी टर्म है वो यहाँ पे भेज देंगे, तो 22/7. तो लास्ट में इसका आंसर क्या आएगा, 4375 रिवॉल्यूशन आर डन बाय द गिवन व्हील. Therefore, the each wheel of the car will make 4375 revolutions. Take the correct answer in the following and justify your choice. If the perimeter and the area of a circle are numerically equal, क्या कहा गया है, पेरीमीटर और उसका जो एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल है दोनों इक्वल है. न्यूमेरिकली कैसे इक्वल है, देन रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल इज, यहाँ पे से एक ऑप्शन हमें सिलेक्ट करना है. तो कैसे कर सकते हैं, सो सॉल्यूशन लिखते हैं हम. लेट अस द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल बी आर. हियर गिवन दैट पेरीमीटर एंड एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल आर इक्वल, सो वी जस्ट टेक circumference of circle is 2 pi r and the area of the circle is pi r square. Given that the circumference of the circle and the area of the circle are equal, this implies that 2 pi r is equal to pi r square, in the sense that r is equal to 2 pi. We can find r is equal to 2 pi. Therefore, the radius of the circle is 2 units. 2 units. Hence, the correct answer is A. So these are simple example that we have studied also in we have studied in standard 9th. So let you solve some examples such as we have studied here in exercise number 12.1. There are given question number 3 and 4. Solve such example by yourself, and after then you can find any doubt, then you can discuss it with me.